Welcome to your own little paradise. Today, we are taking a mini vacation to color a beautiful tropical island with its swaying palm trees. Let's get our colors ready for a sunny adventure. We are starting from the ground up. Use brown for number 4 for the sturdy base of the island and the palm tree trunks. Now, add orange for number 3 for the soil. Next, we will use gray for number 10 for the rocks. This gives our island texture and warmth. Now for the fun part, the palm trees. We are quickly filling in all the fronds with a mix of green for number 6. And now light green for number 5. These two shades of green makes the leaves look full and realistic, swaying in the breeze. Let's brighten the scene with yellow for number 7 for the sand and the sun in the sky. We'll use white for number 9 for the clouds and the sparkling white caps on the waves. Now we add the beautiful, clear water. Fill in the large areas marked 2 with light blue for the shallow water. Now the remaining number 1 areas with a deeper blue. This contrast makes the island pop. Our tropical masterpiece is complete. Look at those beautiful colors and clear waters. We just created our very own island paradise. That was a relaxing getaway. If you enjoyed this island coloring session, please give the video a like and subscribe for more art adventures. See you next time.